Welcome to our roundup of the best espresso machines. Whether you're a coffee aficionado, a home barista, or just looking to elevate your morning routine, we've selected top models that deliver exceptional performance, durability, and features. We'll explore each machine's capabilities, including brewing precision, ease of use, milk frothing, and overall design to help you find the perfect coffee maker for your needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for the best deals. Let's dive in and discover the ultimate espresso machine for you. The first one on our list is the Breville BES 870XL espresso machine, which brings the luxury of third-wave specialty coffee into your home. Designed with an integrated grinder, it delivers espresso from beans to cups in under 1 minute. Its sleek brushed stainless steel design complements any kitchen, while the machine's features ensure both convenience and performance. With precise controls and customizable settings, it caters to both beginners and experienced coffee enthusiasts looking to perfect their brew. The machine's dose control grinding system utilizes a precision conical burr grinder, delivering freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter. This ensures the right amount of coffee for rich and flavorful espresso. Moreover, the low-pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start of extraction, allowing flavors to be drawn out evenly. The result is a balanced and aromatic cup every time. In terms of temperature control, the digital PID system delivers water at the optimal temperature to enhance flavor extraction. Additionally, the manual microfoam milk texturing steam wand allows users to create silky smooth milk foam for lattes and cappuccinos. With these tools, you can experiment with latte art while enjoying barista-quality coffee at home. To add to its appeal, the adjustable grind size dial and grinding cradle provide flexibility for different coffee preferences. Plus, the included accessories like the stainless steel portafilter, tamper, milk jug, and cleaning tools make it a complete package for coffee lovers. Overall, the Breville Barista Espresso is a high-performing machine for crafting exceptional espresso. Compared to super automatic machines, although it may require some effort to use, its results make the learning curve worthwhile. The second one on our list is the Ninja Espresso Luxe Cafe, which is an all-in-one coffee solution designed for versatility and convenience. It offers 3 brewing options: espresso, drip coffee, and rapid cold brew, providing a seamless experience for coffee enthusiasts. With customizable drink sizes and brewing styles, users can prepare everything from double shots to rich cold brews, making it ideal for various preferences and occasions. The machine features advanced Barista Assist technology, which simplifies the brewing process by offering grind size recommendations, weight-based dosing, and precise temperature and pressure adjustments. This ensures consistently balanced and flavorful brews without the need for manual guesswork. Its integrated conical burr grinder further enhances the experience by providing 25 grind settings, allowing users to experiment with different beans and textures to suit their tastes. Additionally, the weight-based dosing system ensures accuracy, eliminating the need to measure grounds manually. In terms of milk frothing, the dual froth system combines steaming and whisking for effortless microfoam, whether you prefer dairy or plant-based milk. Plus, it comes with 4 preset frothing programs, including options for steamed milk and cold foam, simplifying the creation of cappuccinos and lattes. The overall design of this espresso machine prioritizes functionality with built-in storage for accessories and cleaning tools, keeping everything organized and accessible. Moreover, features like assisted tamping and customizable temperature settings cater to users who value precision and control. Despite its lack of a single-shot option, the Ninja Espresso machine is a powerful and versatile coffee maker that offers an exceptional brewing experience for any coffee lover. The third one on our list is the Breville Barista Touch Espresso machine, which is designed to bring cafe-quality coffee into your home. With its intuitive touchscreen interface, users can easily customize their coffee preferences, adjusting coffee strength, milk texture, and temperature to suit their tastes. The onboard guidance system simplifies the brewing process, making it accessible even for beginners who want to create barista-level beverages. This espresso machine delivers rich and complex flavors, thanks to its precise extraction process. It starts with low-pressure pre-infusion, gradually increasing to a high-pressure 9-bar extraction, ensuring even flavor development. The integrated conical burr grinder enhances the process further by offering 30 grind settings, allowing you to achieve the perfect dose of freshly ground coffee for every cup. In addition, the Barista Touch features a hands-free milk texturing system, which creates silky microfoam with up to 1 million microbubbles per milliliter. This advanced frothing capability makes it ideal for latte art enthusiasts and those who enjoy smooth, velvety milk-based drinks. Moreover, its intuitive design streamlines the coffee-making experience, reducing the complexity often associated with espresso machines. The overall type of the Breville Barista Touch emphasizes convenience and precision, catering to coffee lovers who value customization and quality. While its single boiler design may slightly limit simultaneous brewing and steaming, its exceptional performance and user-friendly features make it a standout choice. The fourth one on our list is the Philips Series 3300 automatic espresso machine that offers a seamless way to enjoy barista-quality coffee at home. With 6 drink options, including espresso, black coffee, cappuccino, latte macchiato, and iced coffee, it caters to a variety of preferences. The machine also provides hot water for tea, making it versatile for any occasion. Designed for convenience, it delivers flavorful beverages with minimal effort, ensuring each cup meets high standards of taste and aroma. This espresso machine features the innovative Latte Go milk system, which effortlessly creates smooth milk froth at the press of a button. It accommodates plant-based milk alternatives as well, adding flexibility to your drink choices. Moreover, the integrated AquaClean filter minimizes maintenance by eliminating the need for descaling for up to 5,000 cups. With purified water in every brew, you can enjoy consistent quality without interruptions. Plus, its silent brew technology enhances the user experience by operating quietly, making it ideal for peaceful mornings or late-night cravings. The overall functionality of this machine is enhanced by its smart features, including compatibility with the Home ID app. In terms of usability, you can explore recipes and tutorials directly from your phone, simplifying the learning process for beginners and offering inspiration for experienced users. Additionally, the ceramic grinder ensures durability and precise grinding for rich, aromatic coffee every time. While the milk foam density may not be as rich as some users prefer, the Philips Series 3300 excels in versatility and ease of use. It is an excellent choice for coffee lovers seeking quality and convenience. At number 5, we have the Breville Bambino Plus espresso machine, which is a compact and powerful tool designed for creating third-wave specialty coffee right at home. With its streamlined design and advanced features, it provides professional-level espresso without taking up much space. Built with Breville's 4 keys formula, it delivers serious espresso quality while offering exceptional value. The machine ensures a precise dose of ground coffee with its 54mm portafilter, allowing for a rich and balanced flavor in every cup. This espresso machine stands out with its low-pressure pre-infusion system, which gradually increases pressure to extract even flavors. Additionally, the innovative thermojet heating system reaches optimal brewing temperature in just 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest machines available. With digital temperature control (PID), the water temperature remains consistent, guaranteeing optimal espresso extraction for the perfect brew. Plus, its automatic microfoam milk texturing system allows you to create silky, barista-quality foam for lattes and cappuccinos. In terms of usability, the Bambino Plus is equipped with an intuitive control panel featuring customizable options, including 1 or 2 cups and adjustable milk texture and temperature. To add convenience, it features an auto-purge function that cleans the heating system after steaming, ensuring each shot is brewed at the right temperature. Moreover, its compact 7.7-inch width fits seamlessly on any countertop without compromising performance. Overall, the Breville Bambino Plus combines speed, precision, and versatility in a compact design. Its lightweight structure may feel delicate, but its performance rivals larger, more expensive machines, making it ideal for home baristas seeking quality and convenience. The last one on our list is the DeLonghi Magnifica Plus fully automatic espresso machine, which offers an exceptional coffee-making experience with its advanced features and user-friendly design. With the ability to brew over 18 customizable one-touch recipes, including espresso, cappuccinos, and iced coffees, it caters to a variety of preferences. The built-in conical burr grinder, equipped with 13 adjustable settings, ensures precise grinding for optimal flavor extraction, making every cup rich and aromatic. The machine's Latte Crema hot system takes frothing to the next level by creating creamy, rich foam that complements both dairy and plant-based milk options. Its automatic adjustments ensure consistency, allowing users to achieve barista-quality results effortlessly. In order to streamline operation, the 3.5-inch TFT full-touch color display simplifies navigation, enabling quick customization of drinks and easy access to settings. Additionally, users can personalize and save their favorite drink recipes using 4 individual user profiles, offering convenience for households with multiple coffee enthusiasts. Regarding performance, the built-in grinder delivers freshly ground beans on demand, preserving the aroma and flavor of the coffee. Plus, the intuitive design minimizes guesswork, making it suitable for beginners and seasoned coffee lovers alike. To add to its appeal, the automatic cleaning system reduces maintenance efforts, ensuring the machine stays in top condition. The overall design of the DeLonghi Magnifica Plus strikes a balance between functionality and style, making it a great addition to any kitchen. While the grinder can be slightly noisy, its performance and versatility make it a worthwhile investment for coffee lovers seeking quality and convenience. You got it. So that's it for the best espresso machines in the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.